How to read, rephrase, and summarize a passage. Understanding how to read, rephrase, and summarize a passage is an important skill, especially when preparing for tests like the GED. Rephrasing means putting an idea into your own words, while summarizing involves condensing a passage to its most important points without including personal opinions or judgments. Here's a guide on how to do both. Rephrasing a passage. When you rephrase a passage, you change the wording but keep the original meaning. Here are the steps to follow. 1. Read the passage carefully. Understand the main idea and supporting details. 2. Identify key points. Highlight or underline the main idea and significant details. 3. Use synonyms and different sentence structures. Replace words with their synonyms and change the sentence structure while keeping the meaning the same. 4. Check the rephrased passage. Ensure it accurately reflects the original meaning without copying the exact wording. Summarizing a passage. A summary is a brief restatement of the main idea and the most important details. To summarize a passage, follow these steps. 1. Read the passage thoroughly. Make sure you understand the overall message. 2. Identify the main idea. Find the central point the author is making. 3. Highlight key details. Pick out the most important supporting details that contribute to the main idea. 4. Write the summary. Combine the main idea and key details into a short paragraph. Avoid adding your own opinions or extra information. 5. Review the summary. Check to ensure it includes only the most critical points and accurately reflects the original passage. Example passage. Let's use a sample passage to illustrate rephrasing and summarizing. Original passage. The Industrial Revolution, which began in the late 18th century, brought significant changes to society. It introduced new machinery and techniques that increased production efficiency. Factories became the centers of production, leading to urbanization as people moved to cities for work. However, this period also had negative effects, such as poor working conditions and environmental pollution. Rephrasing the main idea. Original main idea. The Industrial Revolution brought significant changes to society, including increased production efficiency and urbanization, but also had negative effects like poor working conditions and pollution. Rephrased main idea. The late 18th century Industrial Revolution drastically transformed society by enhancing production efficiency and causing urban growth, though it also resulted in harsh labor conditions and environmental damage. Summarizing the passage. Summary. The Industrial Revolution of the late 18th century led to major societal changes. It improved production efficiency and caused urbanization due to factory jobs. However, it also resulted in poor working conditions and environmental pollution. Putting it all together. When you read a passage on the GED or any other test, practice rephrasing and summarizing to better understand the content. Remember these key steps. 1. Understand the passage. Read thoroughly to grasp the main idea and key details. 2. Rephrase. Use different words and sentence structures to convey the same meaning as the original passage. 3. Summarize. Condense the passage to its main idea and essential details, excluding personal opinions and additional information. By mastering these skills, you'll be able to better analyze and understand the passages you read, making it easier to answer questions accurately on tests and in everyday situations. This has been a production of DNJ Designs and MathMan 1962. If you like this video, click on the thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, click on the subscribe button. If you want to be notified when new videos are uploaded, click on the bell.